Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Today I've got something special to share with you. Let's get over to the bench. My friend James from Quirky QRP sent over this really cool looking mat that you can put on your desk as a desk reference. Let me show you some of the things that are on it. We got all the different bands over here. We've got the LF 2200 meters, we've got medium of 630 and 160, and then we'll go over to HF. We've got 80, 60, 40, 30, 20, 17, 15, 12, and 10. And then we've got the VHF stuff, 6 meters, 2 meters, 1.25 meters, 70 centimeters, 30 centimeters. So this covers all the bands that you don't get on your normal band plan that you see from the ARRL, and has the operator class privileges and the channelization on 60 meters and a bunch of really cool stuff. It's got some common calling frequencies over here and different modes, CW, SSB, FM, and AM. And 6 meters has all of that, 2 meters has all of that, 1.25, 70, 33, 23, 13, all have some of that. So there's a quick way for you to get yourself a contact. So for example, I'm on 2 meter FM, 146.52, as you all know, is the national calling frequency, but did you know that 146.58 is the adventure frequency? And 144.410 is the soda frequency? I knew 144.390 was the APRS, but the ISS also runs APRS on a special channel, 144.825. This has got some stuff on it that you guys might not have known or might need to know in a pinch. Here is the phonetic alphabet. So we've got the ITU phonetics, the DX phonetics, and the DX alternative. So a whole bunch of different ways that you can say things like your call sign, and I have found that to be true. I'll say my call sign as K, kilo, M, Mike, number 9, and then G for golf. And sometimes it won't break through the noise very well, so then I'll change over and I'll say Mexico instead. And for G, I'll say Germany, and those are both on there. And that's just kind of something I picked up being on the air. Sometimes people can't hear Kilo Mike 9 Golf, but they can hear Kilo 9 Mexico Germany because it's just different enough. What do we have for kilo that we can change it up with? Kilo, kilowatt. I don't like that kilowatt has 2 syllables, but that's just me. Kentucky. Kentucky, Mexico 9 Germany. That'd be interesting. We've got our Q codes here. There are a lot of Q codes out there, and I don't even use all of them myself, but we've got A, B, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z, and then we got some QS, QSA. What is my signal strength? QSA, I didn't even know that was a thing. QSB, I know that one. QSK, can you hear me? QSL, can you receive? Confirmed, received. And these things are pretty cool because they work in 2 ways, one as a question and one as a statement. So like QRA, what is your name? And then you come back, you know, my name is QRA Steve. My name is Steve. So, you know, it's a question, so I can ask it and you can answer it, or you can ask it and I can answer it, or you can say it and ask if I heard it. So Steve, QRA, and you can say QRA, or you'd also say, you know, QRA Steve, and then I would say QSL down here. Confirmed, received, perfect. Morse code, every so often I'll get the numbers messed up, so it's really good to have a Morse code reference on your desk, handy at eye's reach. Let's see, readability, signal strength and tone, the RST system, in case you were wondering how to give somebody a signal report. And then this is the part that gets me. 6 through 9 are not used on the readability part. It's only 1 through 5. And I get that you kind of run out, but I wish it was like, you know, 5 across the board instead of 5, 9, 9. It could be 5, 5, 5. But, you know, that's just me. Common HF calling frequencies. This is kind of the same as the VHF, UHF at the top, but this is for HF. And it's great to have this stuff here. And then when you are all done, this mat will roll up nice and neat. And you can put it in your bag with you when you go, so you can take it with you, so it's everywhere you need to be. Or you can use it as a giant mouse pad off on the side of your computer, so it's right there where you need it. And then just in case you happen to get out to an extra dirty picnic table, you can put this thing down and protect your radio. James is one of those hams. I think he's just an outstanding member of the ham community. He has a ton of products over on his Etsy store. There will be a link in the description down below where you can pick up one of these mats that I showed you, or any of his other amazing products. There's a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.